That's Lafayette and Fountain. This is where the big money stay at. And Grand River Rapids. I love that new name. I'm not ever going back to Grand Rapids. This is Grand River Rapids. Y'all want to make some money and Grand Rapids. Start calling yourself Grand River Rapids. Charge outsiders at least 6,000 per syllable. Grand River Rapids. I like it. But anyways, this is our Heritage Hill. All these beautiful homes over here. That's where your money stay at. There's some good people though.